Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's heading block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. Let's get started by making a brand new blank page and look at this block on its own. To do that, if you're logged in on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in with your username and password, you'll end up on the dashboard. Simply hover over onto your left-hand sidebar, onto Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and make us a brand new blank page. Alright, once we're here, let's take care of some housekeeping stuff. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Click on that. This is where we will find all of our settings to toggle and configure for our block. Next, let's give our page a title to keep things organized. Okay, and finally, let's add the block itself. There's this blue button over here with a plus icon called a block inserter. Click on that, and you can scroll down and look for the block itself or search for it. But since Stackable is top of the list, we simply have to scroll down just a little bit, and you can see heading. Let's drag and drop this into our workspace. Let's close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. Here is our heading block. Let's go ahead and click on this and type something. This is a heading inside Stackable. Okay, this is our heading text. And we have a bunch of options here, but let's not worry about these since we have everything on here. So let's click on Layout, and first and foremost, we have our text alignment, left, middle, right. And we can change it depending on whether it's desktop, tablet, or mobile. I'll keep it on the middle. We can also have our block size, spacing, and all of that jazz. Let's keep it on default. So we also have our paddings and our margins. Keep those on default. And next we have style. So the first tab here on style is typography. We can use our theme headings. Alternatively, we can use our HTML tags here. Heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 within our theme. We can also change our typography here. We can change our font size, excuse me. Okay. We can also change the weight. We can make it bold if we wanted to. I believe that already. We can make it all uppercase, capitalize every single one. None. I'll do the capitalized one. We can make it italics. We can change our line height. Right, and then our letter spacing manually, right? And you can change it in desktop, tablet, or mobile. Just have to choose these options here. And we can hard change our size. Well, keep it on default. We can change our text color, right? Besides using the HTML, the heading tags over here, we can also put a shadow or outline on these. I think 2 is fine. We also have our settings here, such as our offset, where you want the shadow to be, and the color of the shadow. I'll keep it on 2. That's fine. Next, we can enable a background onto this. We can either put a gradient or a single color or an image or video. Let's use something that's easy to see behind this. Okay, perfect. Next, we have our border radius for our background. We can also add a border color to this if we wanted to. Red, and then we can make it a bit thicker. Okay, and we can also put a shadow or outline on this. Next, we can put a top line. Let's make it white so you can see. There we go. And we can change the width and how it looks like when we hover over it. We can make it red. Okay, oops. Right. Okay, and we can also change the margin of this top line and align it where we want. Next, we can also add a bottom line. I'll make this yellow. All right, let's make it wider and let's make it a bit fatter. Margin should be fine. Let's align it right side. Okay, probably middle is fine. Okay. And finally, we have our advanced settings here, such as our general settings, HTML, block tags, overflow, clear, our hard position settings, custom attributes, which are HTML, responsiveness settings to hide this on desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and our HTML anchor, and CSS class, additional CSS. So once we're happy with our heading, let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our changes, and click on View Page to see our heading. So here is our stackable heading block in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.